AI isn't just hype. Right now, people are using it to create real income streams online. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that you can start using today to make money online, even if you've never used AI before. First, ChatGPT. This AI can generate blog posts, social media captions, YouTube scripts, or even entire ebooks. You can offer content writing services on freelancing sites, or create your own content that drives ad revenue and affiliate sales. With the right prompts, you can churn out professional quality writing in minutes, saving you hours of work. Second, Canva. This isn't just a design tool anymore. It now has AI features that help generate layouts, graphics, and social posts. You can use Canva to create digital products like planners, templates, and workbooks, then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. It's drag and drop easy, which means you don't need to be a designer to profit from it. Third, ElevenLabs. This tool generates ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Perfect if you want to run a faceless YouTube channel or produce audiobooks. Instead of hiring expensive voice actors, you can create multiple voices instantly, saving costs while producing professional audio content. Pair this with ChatGPT scripts and stock footage, and you can run a fully automated YouTube channel. Fourth, AI art generators like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. You can create digital illustrations, concept art, wallpapers, or even book covers. These can be sold on stock websites or packaged into digital art bundles for sale on Gumroad. Many creators are also licensing their AI art for print-on-demand merchandise like t-shirts and posters. And fifth, Jasper AI. It's built specifically for marketing and sales copy. If you run affiliate websites, email campaigns, or product launches, Jasper can generate headlines, sales pages, and ad copy that actually converts. Businesses pay big money for strong marketing, so mastering Jasper gives you a service you can offer to clients worldwide. So those are 5 AI tools that can help you start earning money online today. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Midjourney for digital art, and Jasper for marketing. Which of these do you want to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you'd like a ready-made resource with all the links and starter tips for these tools, check out our AI Income Toolkit. It's available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.